finally here. We are up to day 7 or 8. I don't know. We're too far into our vacation. We don't even know what day we're on anymore. Anyway, we finished up at Ebenezer Park in Rock Hill, South Carolina.
That's a gorgeous park.
It was so awesome. We really liked it. We didn't have the best sight there, but that's because we're in a big giant rig. Honestly, if you have a smaller rig or like a class C that's not quite as long as ours, it would probably be just fine. But the thing is that we were not at the campground very much because we were visiting with some friends in the area. So it was not a problem at all. Like, it was nice and quiet in the campground. It's a gated campground, so they do control the population that gets in there. So that's nice to know. But the amenities there were superb. We did a little walking around in the other section, and it was real shaded, and there were some sites that were kind of secluded, which was really nice. So if you're able to go to Ebenezer Park in Rock Hill, South Carolina, you should really check it out. It was really awesome. So, but today we are headed back to Wytheville. I'm not sure how you say it, but
somebody will correct us.
Someone will correct us. And actually, when we get to the KOA today, I might ask them how to say it. Anyway, we loved the KOA on our way down. We liked it so much that we decided to go ahead and book a couple extra nights on the way home instead of going to, we were going to go to Foxfire, I think, in West Virginia. So we decided to go to Wytheville instead, because they had so much for the kids to do, and it was very affordable. And unfortunately, it rained the day that we were there, so we didn't get to enjoy all of the activities and things that they had available to us. So that's where we're heading today. So come along for the ride. We'll see you there.
Little slow. They got the truck lane, so we're good.
Macy, are you looking at it too? You're laying down relaxing, looking at it? You want to show them what we're looking at? That's not a bad view right there. Not a bad view at all. Nice little spot here. A little fire ring. Table. Yeah, it's not bad. Jake and Paige and Jen are down here at the pool. They're having fun. Look at these.
So fun.
They're like Oregon Trail. Like legit Oregon Trail stuff here.
It's called a covered wagon.
Hey Jake, what do you think of these covered wagons? They're old-timey and I don't want to see them. That's what he said, didn't he?
Yes, they're from the old days and they're boring.
Olden days and they're boring, and he doesn't want to see them.
Come on, Jake.
Look, this campground is ever expanding, which is cool. But look at this. This is awesome. You can stay in an old-timey covered wagon,
yeah,
as Jake would put it.
It's
Old-timey. Yeah.
Throwing rocks, please. It's got a patio and some
Is it
chairs.
locked, Paige? Try it. I want to see I want to just try it. I want to see what's inside. It's locked? Okay. Maybe we can get one of the... We can ask. I don't know. I really want to see... I want to see what's inside. I do. Oh, man. It's so cool. Okay. Well...
It looks like there's probably like a little maybe bathhouse.
Yeah, like a outhouse, bathhouse. That is wicked cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're going to go bowling. We're trying to go bowling, and this is what happens. She has to go everywhere with us.
Yeah,
She'll be...
loud in there, though.
I know. She's going to be sleeping on the bed, on our bed, or the couch, just out, like, she's going to be done. Like, tongue hanging out of her mouth, snoring when we get back.
Oh, yeah, she will absolutely.
So, look at the epic view right there. That is amazing. We're heading down to the bowling alley. We're gonna go bowling. Like, this is nuts, Paige.
Yeah, Dad sent a picture of this view to his mom, and she said, "Are you in Tennessee?" And Dad said, "No, we're in Virginia."
oh, let me see if I can zoom in on her.
Here, you've got a great view.
Let me see here.
I see her. I see her.
Oh, I can't zoom in that far. I gotta look at her.
Still watching us.
She's over there creeping on us until we get out of sight, and then she's gonna lay down and crash. We're at a campground.
And there's a bowling alley.
Ah, what?
No campground has a bowling alley.
This is wicked awesome. Here we go, bro. Dude.
I think I'm gonna.
Oh, come off the rail. Come off the rail. Come off the rail. Come on. Oh, dude. Mommy's next.
Hey, you know this isn't putt-putt. This is not lowest score wins.
This isn't possible. These lines are rigged. They're not regulations. There's something going on here.
There's definitely a curve on the
I've never had to anti-curve before in my life. Whoa.
Woo! Nice job! Great last frame, Paige!
I think we'll.
Not enough. Not good enough. You guys couldn't even wait till we got back to the campsite? You guys couldn't wait?
When it's just hot and fresh, that's when you're supposed to eat it.
I guess I missed the memo. Our puppy dog. Let's see what the puppy's up to.
She's still...
We're gonna round the corner here.
Is it 8?
Nope, it's 7:30.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna. Hey, where's Moo Cow? In the camper. What do we think she's doing? Do you think she's sleeping? We're gonna sneak up and see. Let's look around the corner here.
There's no sneaking up on Moo Cow because we didn't put down the...
She's still at the same spot we left her in an hour ago, right there in the driver's seat.
She just stared at us.
Waiting for us to come back.
Literally stare, death stare, right now. She is burning holes through us. Oh my gosh, she is gonna change.
She is unhappy. Or she's super excited. I don't know. She's like, I will drive this thing away without you people.
You guys took me to that puppy park.
I will go to Grandma's house.
You guys took me to that puppy park. I was so excited and everything, but I've been here the whole time. Guarding this thing.
Look at her.
Waiting for you to come back. I've been waiting. Where's Jake? Careful, she's going to come on. Come on.
No.
Come on, Jake. Get out of the plants, honey. Hey, get out of the plants. Did you miss us, Moo Cow? Hey, Moo Cow. Did you miss me? No? Okay.
Do you see that over there?
What am I looking at?
See how we put those spouts on there?
Yeah?
See how that water's dripping right down and not touching the window? That.
It's amazing. You know what that is?
That's a great fix to a problem.
Yeah.
It works.
Did we do a video about that?
We did.
Oh, okay. So we should maybe link it.
Down, up, or wherever it goes. Check it out.
Fix the problem.
It did.
I like it.
Yep.
And we have had rain.
Yes.
It's not just air conditioner drips.
The air
We've
conditioner.
had full-fledged 4 inches of rain downpour.
But the air conditioner drips are the ones that cause it. The condensation drips. They're the ones, and it just drip, drip, drip. Doesn't touch that window.
Yeah.
Yep.
But we've had both rain, and
We've
we were
had
down
both.
by the beach, so.
Oh yeah, we have.
The car and the windshield, not so much. But
Yeah, the windshield is covered in bugs.
yeah. Look
But
at that puppy. What's happening right now?
a tip: scrub your windshield, get it super clean, let it dry, rain exit, wipe it, clean again, then rain exit again, and the bug guts just come right off.
Oh.
They don't stick.
That's good to know.
It's brilliant.
Use it with any windshield.
It
You
does.
can use it for any windshield. So Daddy's
Yep.
gonna Windex my car.
Yep.
Next. You just sleep through everything, don't you?
Yeah, she's snugglebug.
She's tie. Look out. Is that sound coming out of you?
She is legit snoring.
She is. All right, guys.
I'm probably gonna go night-night.
I think so too. We've had a great day at Wytheville. This was the travel day for us. So we got here, I don't know, 2 o'clock?
2 o'clock, yep.
I think we got here around 2 o'clock. Checked in, got settled, went to the pool, we went bowling, we ordered pizza from the restaurant, looked at the view, have an outside movie time. Good
Weather's
travel day.
perfect.
Weather,
Great day.
so nice. So nice. All right, well you guys, in the meantime, get out, have an adventure, and make some memories. Bye guys.
I have
What's going
something
on?
to tell you.